squishy review with us. So we fidget traded. This isn't all my squishies, but we'll show you.
These
what we
are
got.
my squishies.
Okay.
Let's do dream drops.
Okay. So I traded her that dream drop.
Yeah. The purple one. I love that.
And then I have my blue one. And this one and the purple one, I think I like the purple one the best. But this pink one's kind of hard.
Oh my
so
gosh,
it's
that
not my
her
favorite.
container. Okay. I will do. She traded me this capybara, and it's probably my new favorite. I'm obsessed with it. Like, and look how cute she is.
And I have this, the cousin of the capybara, the axolotl, because I traded them both. Like cute. Okay, now I
Dumplings.
kept my dumpling and she kept hers. She got hers in Spain, so
So I wanted to keep mine.
yeah.
Look how cute they are. They're sisters.
They're twins.
Yeah.
Except I got mine in Africa,
No, you didn't. She got it
in Hawaii,
No, she didn't.
in Thailand,
No, she didn't.
in Spain,
No, she didn't. She got it somewhere in America.
in Portland. Actually, I don't know because it wasn't mine. Anyways, I got this.
Yeah, I traded her that one. And she traded me this one.
So cute. And then I kept my two fuzz balls, my smiley face one, and with the flowers, and then my pink one.
I got this muffin squishy. It's like a foam one. I got it in Spain also. And I kept it. I love it so much.
And then I traded this big nice cube for my Cappy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this was hers. And then I
traded these.
these
Like it was like that
This.
to that.
to this. And I actually really wanted the big one just because it's like big and I can show it off my collection. Hey, baby. Now
My bunny's back there. Okay,
I love there, buddy. I'm gonna just steal it.
I have my carrot squeezy. And I also love this one like a lot.
So I got this Oreo, but only a piece. We couldn't find the other two
You couldn't?
pieces. No. And then I have the rest of it.
Okay.
Slab on
whatever.
like a
That I
pepperoni
gave her.
pizza. Yeah, we traded. We traded this with. I think she got the gummy bear.
Yeah. I think it was.
I think it was.
Okay. And then I have this snowball. I did I'm a surgeon to it. That's why there's a little hole.
Okay, now we're gonna show our favorite
We have one
squishy
more.
out of our. Oh yeah.
I really want to trade something.
Can I feel it? Oh, that's hard.
You just have to warm it up. That's the thing about that one.
Okay, now we're gonna show our favorite squishy out of our collection, or squishies.
Oh. Okay, so my two favorite squishies is the capybara and my carrot.
I have 4 favorite squishies. Okay, first is my big nice cube. Like,
Oh, and I like
doesn't it look so well?
and I like my dream drop.
Yes. So my nice cube, my purple and pink fuzzball, they just like sound so good. Okay, now my pink one, and then this. It's like so nice and like squishy. Anyways, let's say bye to the bunny. Her name is Beatrice. Baby. Hi, baby.
She poops a lot.
Yeah. Beatrice, look.
Oh, okay. She's sassy.
Okay, bye guys.